Chapter 6. More on Internet. Warm up. What do you use Internet? Name the commonly used browser by you. Name the first browser used in Internet. Computer network. A computer network is a collection of computers which are connected together to exchange files, images, songs, etc. from one computer to another. Advantages. Computer network allows us to share hardware devices. For example, we can print from multiple computers by a single printer. It also allows sharing of files and folders from one computer to the other. What is Internet? The word Internet stands for International Network. The term Internet means an international network of computers. It is a network of networks. Millions of computers around the world are attached to it. If your computer is connected to Internet, it can get connected to millions of other computers in many different parts of the world. Some terms related to the Internet. Let us recall some terms related to the Internet that we have already learned earlier and learn some new terms. World Wide Web, WWW. The World Wide Web is an information space where documents and other web resources are available. Web page. A web page refers to an individual digital document available on www. It may contain text, video, audio, graphics, and links to other pages. Website. A collection of related web pages is called a website. It can contain many web pages which are linked together and share a common theme, look and feel. Homepage. A homepage is the main page of website which contains information and links to other pages. It is the first page that is displayed on every website. Uniform Resource Locator, URL. Each website has its unique address by which it can be located on the Internet. This address is known as the Uniform Resource Locator, URL. For example, www.google.com is the URL of the Google homepage. Hyperlinks. When we move the pointer around a web page, we will notice that the pointer changes to a hand icon as soon as it points at the text which is underlined and blue in color. These are known as hyperlinks. A hyperlink connects different web pages on the Internet. Clicking on a hyperlink takes us to a different page. Internet Service Provider, ISP. An ISP is an organization that provides services for accessing, using or participating in the Internet. Internet service providers may be organized in various forms such as commercial, community-owned, non-profit or privately owned. Search engine. A web search engine is a software system that is designed to search for information on the World Wide Web. The search results are generally presented in a line of results, often referred to as search engine result pages, SERPs. Some examples are http://www.google.com, http://www.bing.com, and http://www.yahoo.com. Browsing a website in a browser. The word browse means go through the contents of something. As you know that a web browser is a special software to view different web pages on Internet. Internet Explorer is a pre-installed web browser that comes with the Windows operating system. We can download other browsers from the Internet and then they can be used. Let us have a look at the part of the Internet Explorer window. Some of the important buttons available on the Internet Explorer window are described as follows. Address bar. It is used for typing the address URL of the website you want to open. You must know the address of the website to open it. Refresh. This button is used to refresh or reload the web page again if it does not open properly in the first attempt. Back and forward button. Back button lets you go back to the last page you visited. If you went back a previous page, you can use forward button to return to this page. Home button. This button will take you to the web page which loads when Internet Explorer first starts. Tabs. Tabs are used to open many websites at the same time. To open more than one tab, click on the New Tab button. It displays the recently opened websites. You can click on any of them or type a new website address in the address bar. Keep in mind, Tim Berners-Lee was the founder of www. Take a break. Expand the following: www, URL, ISP, searching information on the internet. In the previous class, we had also learned about a search engine. It is a software that helps us to search information on the World Wide Web. A search engine is a service which helps you find the information you want on the internet. Search engines continually trawl the net for new websites, cataloging them into an index. Some commonly used search engines are Google, Yahoo and Alta Vista, but there are many others. Search terms. When we go to a search engine, you are given a search box into which you enter the keywords of our topic. For example, if we enter the word rock, you will likely get links to pages about geology, music and building societies. Let us say we want information on rock music. If you type in the search bar rock music, it is likely the search engine will bring up links to any pages about rocks, rock climbing and music. However, if you try typing in rock music with quotes, the search engine will treat it as a phrase and bring up details of web pages containing the word rock music in the author. Advanced search terms. Entering rock plus music will bring up documents containing both words. Entering rock plus music minus climbing will bring up documents containing the words rock and music, but with no reference to climbing. To sum up, a computer network is a collection of computers which are connected together to exchange files, images, songs, etc. from one computer to another. The word Internet stands for International Network. The World Wide Web is an information space where documents and other web resources are available. The word browse means go through the contents of something. A search engine is a service which helps you find the information you want on the internet.